welcome to GTWraps and welcome to Morningstar Flight Academy. Some would say that rapping is a plane job, and today they'd be correct because we are working on a plane. Come and have a look. We're working on a 2025 Sling.
Okay, cool. We're done with this wing now. Now we're moving over to the next wing. Let's check it out. Awesome. So we've orientated over here and the rest of it, we kind of just winged it. Got it to where it needs to go.
And it goes like this.
Wanna have a good night. Listen up.